Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit a message on Instagram. So the first thing you want to do here is just open the Instagram application. Next, what I'm going to do here is just send a message. So for instance, I'm going to send here hello. I'm just going to send this message. Now if you want to edit this message, it's very simple. You are just going to double tap or just press on the message, and next you're just going to see the edit button. So below save reply, you're just going to tap on edit, and now you'll be able to edit this message. I'm just going to edit this message to hey, and I'm just going to send it, and you will discover that I'm just from editing this message. So if you don't have this functionality right now, it's because maybe you have not updated the application. So to solve this, you're just going to go on to the App Store, and you are just going to search for the application Instagram, and we are just going to write here Instagram. You search for this, and what you want to do here is tap on Instagram. If you have not yet updated your application, you're just going to see here the update button. So what you want to do here is just tap on the update button, and after updating the application, you are just going to have this new functionality.